Are you worried about your financial future? Land investment might be your golden ticket. All right, let's start with the big question. Why invest in land? Unlike other investments, land is tangible. It's something you can see, touch, and stand on. Plus, they're not making any more of it. First things first, research is key. Look for areas with growth potential. This could be a new business zone or a peaceful suburb near a bustling city. Think long-term, what might this land be worth in 5, 10, or 20 years? Next, understand the costs. It's not just the price tag. Consider taxes, maintenance, and possible development costs. Budgeting for these will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Third, check the zoning laws. You don't want to buy a piece of land dreaming of building a home only to find out it's zoned for agriculture. A quick call to the local zoning office can clear this up. Finally, be patient. Land investment isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about playing the long game and making smart choices. Do your homework, ask questions, and seek advice when needed. So, there you have it, the basics of land investment. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Start small, dream big, and who knows, your patch of land could be the start of something great. Subscribe for more tips and happy investing.